Yes, exactly. Before starting with that, and I would quickly introduce what's an agent in Synera and how does it work exactly. Um, so we heard a lot about tools, but before going into these tool workflows, I would like to introduce, okay, what's the brain? What is controlling it? And that is a large language model, an LLM. So we basically, what we're doing with an agent, what an agent consists of is this LLM that already gives a certain intelligence, but it's missing the context for that specific part or for that specific task in additive manufacturing, for example. And what we do is we give instructions to it for the process that it's supposed to look at by prompting this agent, and then also, as I already said, give it the tools that it needs to fulfill this task. And what this means concretely is that I give a certain in this case in my architecture that I decided to use one single agent that does the whole process basically. So I said, okay, I saw what Bobby is trying to do. And I know which tools are necessary for that. And I just create one agent that knows the whole process, that has the instructions for the whole process, and can execute it because it has access to all the tools that are necessary. This consist of support tools, nesting tools, costing tools, orientation optimization tools, and I give that all to that one agent, and that makes it easy to set up. I don't have to think about any other agents. I just say I have one agent. I can give it all the instruction it needs for that full process and give it a go that way. And this is basically the single architecture that I'm proposing to solve this challenge. And I can show you how that looks like in Synera.